This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about bench scrapers, specifically this Metlux dough scraper. It's a stainless steel dough scraper with a plastic handle that you can see is black. It's 4.5 inches by 6.25 and features a 3/4 inch depth because of that handle. It's perfect for slicing and dividing dough, for moving and transferring your chopped ingredients off of your cutting board, or even for scraping down your work area or surface when you're done working. It can even be used to handle tasks like scraping down your griddle. The plastic handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, and it's a great multitasking tool that's made from durable stainless steel. It also features a nice sharp blade, so you can even use it to do some tasks like chopping up nuts and crunching up candies. It's corrosion resistant and dishwasher safe as well. It's a perfect, dependable tool that's a must for any kitchen.